Hi guys, if your Samsung fridge temperature display is blinking, flashing numbers or constantly beeping, it usually means that the fridge detects a temperature problem or a temporary system fault. So in this video, you are going to learn the most common causes and the fastest fixes that actually work. Now, if the blinking starts after a power cut or after plugging the fridge back in, the display may flash because the internal temperature is still too warm. So in order to fix it, you just have to do nothing but to just leave the fridge running for a few hours with the doors closed as much as possible. Once the temperature returns to normal, the blinking often stops automatically. Now, a slightly open fridge or the freezer door is also one of the most common reasons why display keeps blinking. So you just have to simply inspect the um, door seals for the food containers that are blocking the door, or any kind of loose shelves or dirty rubber gaskets or ice buildup preventing full closure. The warm air entering the fridge can trigger the temperature warnings quickly. Now you can also try resetting the fridge by unplugging it from the wall outlet for about 5 minutes. After plugging it back in, you just have to wait for a few minutes further for the control panel to restart fully. This is also going to clear the temporary sensor and any kind of display glitches. Now, if your fridge feels warm to you inside while the display keeps flashing, you can inspect the airflow vents and the freeze area. The heavy frost buildup near the back panel may indicate the defrost problem or block the airflow. Also, you can listen for any of the unusual clicking noises or fans not spinning properly. So you can take a look at these fixes and see if any of the fixes work for you. Thank you.